You have got to get your business relationship management right. Now, I know what you might be thinking. With the rise of AI and automation, do business relationships even matter anymore? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. And not only do they matter, but strong, trusted business relationships are what will set you apart and make you successful compared to some other organizations that decide to fully automate. Let's look at some of the factors. There is tremendous power in trust. And while AI can crunch numbers and automate tasks, it cannot build trust. Trust fosters open communication, allowing you to truly understand your customers' needs and challenges. That can lead to stronger collaboration because when you trust someone, you're more willing to share ideas and work together towards a common goal. It can result in better problem solving because open communication allows you to identify and address proactively any issues before they become roadblocks. And of course, trust builds increased loyalty. When you're trusted, you can build long-term partnerships, and that leads to repeat business and word-of-mouth recommendations as well. Now, you might be wondering, what are the best ways to build trust into your relationships? Here are 3 key strategies. The first is to be a champion of good communication. Actively listen. Pay attention to what your customers are saying, both verbally and non-verbally. And make sure you communicate with clarity. Be direct and honest in your messaging. Don't leave any room for misinterpretations. And communicate even more than you think you should. Don't shy away from regular updates and check-ins, even if you think there's no major news. Just re-establishing that human connection is reason enough. The second key strategy for building trust is to focus on value creation. Do what you can to understand the needs of your clients and customers. What are their challenges? What are their goals? Tailor your solutions accordingly. And wherever you can, go the extra mile. Look for opportunities to exceed expectations, even in small ways. The idea is to position yourself as a trusted advisor. Make sure you show them that you are interested in their success, not just a quick transaction. That leads me to the third key strategy, which is to invest in relationships, not just transactions. People can smell you coming a mile away when you're just chasing a sale, and that is not a good long-term strategy. Get to know your clients or customers a little bit. Make sure you develop a rapport and understand them even on a personal level. Those conversations about their last golf game or their last vacation go a long way towards making them feel comfortable in your company, and vice versa. Celebrate wins together. Recognize and acknowledge achievements, no matter how big or small. And this one's important. Be reliable. Follow through on commitments and be there whenever needed. In many ways, it can feel like AI is eroding trust, so it's tough to beat that real, trust-building human connection. Now, that's not to say that AI is all bad. There are some useful places for it, and it could actually be a tool to enhance relationships in some ways. Here's how. A big one is that it can free up your time. It can handle routine tasks, allowing you to focus more on building your genuine human connections. And of course, there are AI tools that can help you gather important data about your customers' needs and preferences. And with that kind of information, you can then personalize your approach in a much better way when you meet with people. And remember, we talked about how important communication is. Well, there are some AI tools that can enhance that communication effort. You can use them to automate reminders and ensure clear and timely updates. Our training partner has built their entire business model around trusted relationships, and they can help your company do the same. There's a link in the description below. Check them out and see what kinds of solutions they can provide for you. By investing in good business relationship management built on trusted relationships, you're not just creating a solid foundation for your business today, but you're future-proofing your business for the age of artificial intelligence. Remember, in a world increasingly dominated by technology, the human connection will always be the ultimate competitive advantage. And it's a critical part of building an indestructible business. If you want your business to be indestructible, check out this video next. All the best.